Hi, I'm 𝗧 head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi and the author of Tai Chi for Knee Health, the low-impact exercise system for eliminating knee pain. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you my #1 Tai Chi secret for eliminating knee pain. Plus, I'll lead you through a quick exercise to help you clearly feel this material in your body and in your knees. Here we go. Research shows Tai Chi can be an effective practice for strengthening your knees and eliminating pain, even if you have arthritis, like me, in both knees. I experienced chronic pain for years. Today, my knees are virtually pain-free. I attribute much of that transformation to Tai Chi. In aiming to restore knee health, there's an issue though. It's this: most people don't feel their knees until they hurt. That leads to Tai Chi for Knee Health secret #1, feeling your knees. Our knees are rich with nerve endings, millions of them. Those nerves constantly send signals to your brain. Lots of information: temperature, pressure, position, the relationship between your knees and other parts of the body. With training and practice, you can tune into those signals. And by tuning into those signals, you can develop sensitivity to feel your knees in great detail. This provides the foundation to begin protecting your knees, moving in ways that improve knee health, and reducing, even eliminating knee pain. A quick exercise to help you start feeling your knees. First, stand comfortably. Your feet approximately parallel under your hips. Stand for a moment and settle in. Then, feel your knees. Get your mind in your knees. Lots of sensations to feel when you quiet your mind and feel your knees. One sensation to feel for is pressure. That sensation of pressure is caused by the weight of your body above going through the knee joint thanks to gravity. Take as much time as you need to clearly feel the sensation of pressure in your knees. When you clearly feel the pressure in your knees, it's time to start moving that pressure a little. Here's what you do. With as small a movement of your knees as possible, move some of the pressure toward the front of your knees. Not so it hurts, just so you can feel the pressure move toward the front. Then with as small a movement of your knees as you can, move some of the pressure toward the back of your knees. Then, with as small a movement of your knees as you can, move some of the pressure toward one side of your knees. Then, move that pressure toward the other side of your knees. From there, you can start moving the pressure around your knees. For example, you can make circles. Front, side, back, side, front. You can change direction. Side, back, side, front. I encourage you to continue to move the pressure around your knees until you can clearly feel pressure in the front, sides, back, sides, and control that pressure. After moving the pressure around your knees, then adjust your knee position until the pressure inside your knees is as even and as balanced as you can get it. When your knees are aligned so that the sensation of pressure is as even and as balanced as you can get it, in Tai Chi for Knee Health, we say you have found your sweet spot. There you are, my #1 Tai Chi secret for eliminating knee pain, feeling your knees. Using the exercise I just showed you, with a little practice, you'll become increasingly sensitive to sensations of pressure in your knees and gain skill at maintaining or correcting your sweet spot. Let me know how it goes. Thanks.